Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have credentials and endpoints. Now start. In Postman, create a new request and switch to the Authorization tab. Choose Oauth 2. 0 as the grant type so Postman shows the right fields. Enter client ID and client secret immediately, then paste the authorization and token URLs into their boxes. Once done, set the callback URL to the same redirect registered with the provider and choose Required Scopes. This gets you into the flow. Make sure your app's redirect matches exactly to avoid early failures. You now configure the grant flow itself. If you need user consent, choose authorization code and enable PKCE if the provider recommends it. For machine-to-machine, use client credentials. Populate scopes to limit access and add a state value to protect against CSRF. Then click Get New Access Token. A browser window opens where you log in and consent. Once redirected back to Postman, it will capture the code and exchange it for a token automatically, so you can inspect token fields and expiry information. You're at the finish line. Select Use Token to insert the authorization, bearer header into the request and send it to your API. If the token expires, either hit Get New Access Token again or use a refresh token if provided. Postman can store it for reuse. If something breaks, check the redirect URI, client credentials, scope mismatch, and system clock skew which invalidates tokens. Also inspect the token response body for error messages. One troubleshooting tip. Enable Postman console to view raw request and response details for
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.